Wondering how to transfer your inherited IRA to iTrustCapital? Inherited IRAs, otherwise known as beneficiary IRAs, can be transferred just like any other IRA from another institution. Let's get started. I have an inherited IRA that is currently at another institution invested in mutual funds and stocks. How can I indicate this on my application? Is my inherited IRA traditional or Roth? In the New Account Type menu, make sure to select Additional Options, then choose Inherited Traditional IRA or Inherited Roth IRA. Next, you'll select IRA Transfer. You'll first want to select your transfer type and indicate whether you're doing a full transfer or partial transfer. Then select or enter your transferring custodian name from the drop-down. In Transferring Account Type, select either Inherited Traditional IRA or Inherited Roth IRA. Finish entering the remaining information to proceed to the next section. If you have additional questions or need assistance, do not hesitate to contact us through our support page or give us a call. Our team is here to help.